that's how it ended, Brandon. Good job. And it's
Oh, with
again.
it.
Yep.
Come on, guys. We're leaving here at 20. Let's do this.
Might as well stay the 5 extra minutes since you should have been heading there by now. Nope, let's go.
Yeah, just leave.
You will all share in this bounty.
Oh, that's
I
always
am
good.
not leaving you there. Never mind, I am leaving you there. I can see how you died.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, just get out of all the frickin'.
You okay there?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was trying to get out.
Sure.
I was trying to get out of the enemy fire.
Everybody go extraction. Meow. Get to the extraction.
I bet I can finish this capture mission before you guys fight me. Starting now.
Wait, I'm going the wrong way. I'm sure that's it. What am I doing?
Oh my god,
You
you
never
guys
be
left.
sure.
Life support has been replenished.
You can never be too sure.
Of what?
Or
My target was a heavy gunner? What the fuck?
That makes sense.
Well, guys, we're already almost done. So we got an invitation, yep.
Well executed.
extremely easy. It was a defense.
Oh, pfft. How long do you have to last? Like 10 waves?
3.
Oh, that's even better. Like, holy shit. Alright. Hosting time. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Boop.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Bring your chroma. That's gonna help. Not.
He's extremely good at using chroma.
He is. And I am off Joker.
He rarely ever
Yeah.
dies, except for in T4s. We die a lot.
Well, obviously.
Hold up, I'm still modding out my stuff.
The voice crack.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. Now, that just sounded like you moaning there for a second,
Oh god.
Kelvin. Come on. I think
Yeah,
it's
we didn't start. I just unpaused the video, and who is after us?
It's minus arbiters have hexes.
But it's
Hex.
funny, we didn't start yet. Of course, somebody's after us. And of course, I do the glitch again.
Jesus, die, dude.
You will never die.
That guy will. Alright, ready?
We should be ready now.
Alright,
Fun ones here.
Alright, let's find a room, let's stick to it.
Shut down all systems.
That's what we do all the time.
I'm sending life
Alright, good.
support capsules your way.
I hope we have that that 2-story room. That's a really good one. That we did last time.
I've delivered a life support
Hey,
capsule
hey,
to the area.
Hi.
Activating it will buy you more time.
Oh,
Who's after us now?
someone's after us again.
No, I just killed the last one. I found the last
Oh.
one. Yeah.
Oh. That's- Oh, and a way to tell that it's a syndicate is your Warframe will, kind of, or energy, or a color of energy will surge through you.
Yeah, it was red.
My character is like glitching so hard. Guys, look at Valkyrie right now. I'm
Oh my
blocking.
god. Whatever.
Brandon, turn around. Look at this.
Are you in
Whoa, what the hell?
Are you in airplane?
Hold.
No, I
Wait,
can't
wait,
hold
wait.
still or she'll stop.
Oh.
If I hold still, she'll stop doing it. But look.
What I just saw was
Oh,
I
she
saw you
stopped doing it.
imitating an airplane.
Oh, they were all sticking out.
What's even happening here? I don't understand
Life
this.
support on the way.
It's still doing it.
Yeah,
It's like, wee!
exactly. Her hands are out in front of her.
I'm falling through the map!
She's just holding her hands out in front of her, and her blades are coming out her elbows.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. No, Ethan, turn around and look at this. If you can. Just like try and run with me while I'm doing this.
It looks like
It's
you're
so
trying to fly an
stupid.
airplane. I believe I can fly.
It's so
like a
stupid.
bird.
She's still doing it too. Why is it that every time I even try recording, something always happens? Always something. It's weird. But yeah, Valkyrie's officially an airplane. Whee!
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello!
Hey YouTube.
What's up?
Loves all of you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no.
This is why we can't have nice things.
I wish we could like
You wanna
switch
be an
video feed. That'd be cool. Like
This is why we
switch
can't have nice
cameras.
things. Because you want to be an airplane. I'm an airplane, Mommy!
I don't think she really cares.
Yeah, she adopted you when you were a little airplane. Where'd y'all go?
Oh wow, that was a real dick move.
What?
What?
He was just like, you were, or she adopted you when you were a little airplane.
Well,
adopted.
it would make sense
There's already
considering
a
I'm the
bomb
only
there.
airplane in my family.
Another life support capsule is now available.
Whoa, that was
Hey
sick.
Keith, you want to see a pretty funny glitch?
No, I don't. Oh,
Ready?
they said my name.
Look. Look at her. Look at her hands, Keith. She should be blocking like this, and she's blocking like this. What was that? She's like, don't worry, guys, I got this. I'm an airplane.
So, for, what's your name? I can't remember. Oh, for Mesa, how exactly do you get, her to actually shoot? Do you have to hold down the trigger button?
Yeah, the first time I did it, I was clicking, and I was like, how do you shoot faster? So I held it down, and you shoot, like, a lot faster.
Okay,
That's
I didn't know you actually had to, hold it down, so I was like, it's not
Yeah.
doing anything!
I know, it kind of got me
That's
when
how
I
it was.
first did it.
I was like, there's a ball crap!
Right.
I
And I
want
thought
my
you had to,
money
like,
back!
I thought you had to put like some sort of mod to make it go faster, but I realized you had to hold it down.
Has arrived.
Yeah, I was like, I want my money back!
You didn't pay my wait, no,
Because
you didn't.
I actually bought her with platinum.
Of course you did.
Yeah, I don't like the mission. The mission was kind of bullshit.
I've never actually done the actual assassination before, so I don't know what it's like.
Our
do I.
operative is making
It's kind of like a hive
This
mission,
will help
I
our
think.
cause.
If I remember.
When you need it.
Malachi bought
it's
mine
info.
for me, but
I could be like completely and totally wrong, and it
Screw
wouldn't be.
Malachi. Screw Malachi.
no.
We're a lot more fun.
Alright, guys, say bye.
But,
Bye.
bye.